see. Here we go. This is a huge paper airplane, and now I will test it out. Hello guys, welcome to Artland channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super fast paper airplane. But the paper airplane is called the mini super jet. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of sticky note, a stapler, a pair of scissors, and a pen. These are optional. Anyways, you should have them all together. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make the plane step by step. Let's take out the piece of paper, and you know that it's sticky on this side. That is 5. First step, fold the paper in half this way. So I just fold the paper in half. When it's close to the sticky part, I just leave it and then I unfold the paper. Now you have the center crease. Let's start from the upper edge. Fold both sides of the paper to the center crease. Very simple. When you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. So this is what you have so far. Next step, let's fold the paper. Start from both sides of the paper and fold it to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Perfect. Next step, I will start from the tip and fold straight to this line on the other edge. So I'll turn the paper like this, and now I just fold it. On the following step, I will start from this side. I fold straight up. You can see this. Estimate about 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of a centimeter and fold up. And then you can adjust. Actually, you can adjust the paper a little bit now before you fold that. So I just fold back and fold up. And now this is what you have. Next step, I just fold the paper in half. So this is what I have. I fold the paper in half and make sure that all of the edges are lined up. Now let me put the paper down. This is so small. I will start from this. Actually, I will start from this edge. I fold it to the other edge to create a wing. So let me do it. So I curve it and I curve it and then I match it. Right? Match, fold out, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's turn the paper over and then curve the paper, curve it, and then press down. Right. So this is what I have so far. That is fine. Press down the paper and then unfold the wings. Okay, so this looks so normal. To make the paper airplane look cooler, let's use the pair of scissors, and then I'll fold both wings back together. And you see this line, or use this crease as a preference. I'll hold the paper up a little bit, and then I'll just cut it straight. Here we go. And I'll fold the wings down, the paper down, and then I'll fold this side of the paper up. Here we go. So this is what I have. Let me adjust the paper a little bit more. Adjust it. Here we go. So this is what I have. I can fold this one down a little bit and then just fold it up. That's fine. And then now I can just press down the wings. Oh, here we go. I can fold the stabilizer back to the right and back to the left so that I can have a crease on this side. This is how you can actually control it. Alright. At the end of the wings, you can cut like this. I'll fold both sides of the paper down, and I can cut it a little bit here and here, and then now I can fold the wings up, and you can see this is the elevator. Let's fold it up. Okay, fold up, and then fold down. And here you go, this is the mini super plane. Test it out. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.